Should you adjust your dog's food intake after the hunting season? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. So today we're going to talk about a topic that is really important. It's something that we don't talk about a lot, but that's food intake after hunting season. Odds are we're getting to the end of the hunting season here, and you've put a lot of work in with your dog, and you may have had to increase their food intake to keep weight on them. But now that hunting season is coming to a close, what do? Do you keep feeding them the same amount, or do you cut their food back? And really, there's an easy way to tell. It really depends on each dog, so you're gonna have to go by a couple of factors, and that's really how your dog looks. And so what you wanna be able to see is you want to be able to look at them, and you don't want to be able to see their ribs. You do want to be able to kind of feel them when you put your hand over them. And then in their side, back near their back hip, there should be a slight cut or a slight indentation. And that's gonna show that your retriever is at a healthy weight. If your dog is too skinny, you're gonna visibly be able to see the ribs, extremely well. If your dog is overweight, there's not gonna be any cut, and you're not gonna be able to feel their ribs on their side. So here's how I would adjust the food intake. When hunting season's over, if you start to see your dog putting on weight, go ahead and cut the food intake back just a little bit, and then keep cutting it back until they get at that perfect weight. And once you find it, stick right at the level that you're feeding them, and they should be good to go. And then once next hunting season rolls around, you can start increasing that food intake again if you need to keep their weight on the proper amount. So that is adjusting your dog's food intake.